Milord, unfortunate incident was happened. Huh? Your Lordship, can you see? The day your Lordship passed the last order, what happened to her? His father, elder son, with the other hooligans, attacked her and physically assaulted her. Can you see the complaint? On basis of the complaint, FIR was lodged, but police authority have taken no steps, have unholy nexus.
Who is the elder son?
Well, I am representing the elder son.
The photographs.
Did you forward the money?
Yes.
And was it accepted?
No.
Was not
Well, this is the money order, Milan. I have forwarded. They have refused. And pursuant to a lordship's direction, they have not supplied me any account details till date. Now, Milan.
Account details?
Yes.
Account details.
Listen, this is not the way to behave in court. You are a very senior advocate.
I know. I started my career with white solicitor in England.
Yes.
I know.
So
the court is how the court is behaving. You should consider that
Yes.
one. You flaunted the statute. What is the section 22?
Yes.
Administration should give protection of life and property of the senior citizen. It's refused. Where is that proof?
Well, I have sent.
Will you accept the money?
Not receive the money order.
Will you accept it?
Not receive.
Will you accept it?
Why shall I accept it?
Yes.
According, I
So
already
you are
handed
not-
your
you
handed
are not
over a
inclined-
document to your lordship. The Supreme Court purposely said, if it property is to the senior citizen, without her permission, no one can stay.
No one means he is your son.
Maybe a son or grandson.
Maybe
No. See, go through the judgment.
the Supreme Court
What-
is permitting the
No,
senior
not
citizen to
permitting.
throw away.
The owner of the house forced the daughter-in-law and elder son to leave the house without his permission. No one can stay.
The person concerned is your son. You have
Maybe.
given birth to him.
And he got the right to assault me physically.
Certainly not.
Then
Certainly not. That is
what,
not the thing.
what happened, you have to consider.
The court
She
will
came before
consider.
the Lordship for justice.
She is here for justice and justice will be administered. Do not worry about that. But the thing is, you are being exploited by your other son to get rid
No,
of this son.
he is living far away, not there. Kindly see where he is living. At Barasat. He has his own business and flat there.
Yes, and that is the reason he is utilizing you.
No, I have sufficient money to support me. Because the petitioner's husband
Very
is a
well.
multimillionaire.
You take steps for evicting your son in accordance with law.
No need of any of it. Court have the power.
Yes, you go to the competent court. Certainly the
It
Reed
is
court.
also a competent
Reed
court.
court will not direct
My
you
lord,
to
This
throw out
is
your son.
226 jurisdiction. Your lordship have the constitutional jurisdiction. Can pass any order, not bound by any rules or any statute.
Yes, yes.
For ends of justice, can pass any order.
Yes, certainly. What is the police report? Let me see.
My lord,
Police have unholy nexus with him.
on the day.
Is this what your client is doing with the senior
That
citizens?
has not been done, my lord.
Who has done this?
My lord, lordship would
This
kindly.
person is your father. Is this person your father?
Yes.
This is what you've done.
My lord, I have not done this.
Who has done this? Somebody else will come and beat your father up.
My lord, lordship would kindly see the last the FIR they have made.
Forget the FIR. Is this the photocopy of the? Is this person your father?
Yes, my lord, but I have not. I have.
Who has done this?
That I do not know. When
You
it
do
has-
not know.
When it has happened, when it has happened or not, I have.
You do not know anything. You are staying in your father's property and going on hitting your parents.
That I have pursuant to a lordship's direction, my lord, I have not done anything.
Where from is this photograph coming?
When it has happened, kindly.
It happened centuries back or what?
No, my lord,
Then?
on last occasion, there was an FIR on the allegation that I have assaulted them.
Yes.
On the month of December, that case was registered for investigation. In course of investigation, there is a specific case, specific reply to this, that they have this incident, this alleged incident, what has been alleged against me, this is not done by me.
Who has done it? Say you stay in the same house.
But I have,
Who has done this? Somebody outsider has come to beat your parents and you are sitting over there.
notice the situation. After pursuant to lordship's direction, I have forwarded the money order, whatever your lordship has directed.
You think you have got enough money? Your mother and father has more money than you have.
I am not all that. That's why I have taken a specific instruction from my client that since there is an issue regarding the entry and the exit point, and there are allegations against you, whether you are agreeable to install a CCTV at the premises. Because if a CCTV is installed, then everything could be recorded over there. My lord, I have taken a specific instruction.
Your client earns a lot,
My lord, he earns something money, my lord.
a handsome amount.
So-
Let him find out a place for himself if this is a treatment that is
My lord,
meted out
this
to the
is- my lord,
parents.
this is not the treatment. My lord, probably Lord should kindly ask them to when this incident had happened. Kindly ask them when this incident had happened.
It happened. When is not important. It
My lord,
happened.
It happened, but my lord,
The writ petition is pending from 24.
my lord, but in the meantime, during this pendency, my lord, there was a criminal case which was also not substantially against this elder son, my lord. The allegation, whatever they have made in the month of December, Lord should kindly see. My lord, Lord should kindly see the last order passed by your lordship, my lord. Only the last order passed by your lordship, my lord.
See, 21st, the court passed order, and
Yes, but this
23rd, an
FIR has been
FIR.
registered on 23rd, this second FIR, 23rd of February.
Right.
Now, Lord should kindly see the allegation leveled over there is no allegation of assault even I am not supporting the contention over there. The photograph which they are relying upon, that cannot have any relation with this, millet. And now they are alleging that I am sending persons to send them feelers.
On basis of the complaint, my lord, already FIR is registered, my lord. But the police authority take no steps regarding the FIR.
But the investigation cannot be at the whims and caprice of either of the parties.
It has been mentioned that you have beaten them up.
My lord, kindly see the date earlier. কারণ আমি একজন হার্টের রোগী, আমি আপনাকে আরো জানিয়ে রাখি যে 19/11/24 তারিখে আমাকে আমার বড় ছেলে তার পরিবার সহ মহামান্য উচ্চ আদালতে মাইকেল তুলে নেওয়ার জন্য বেধড়ক মারধর করে প্রাণে মেরে ফেলার চেষ্টা করে। তার জন্য বসিরহাট থানাতে একটি কেস হয়। মানে দিস রিলেটস টু দ্য আর্লিয়ার এফআইআর এন্ড ইওর লর্ডশিপ হ্যাজ সিন দি মেডিকেল রিপোর্ট প্রডিউসড অন দ্য লাস্ট অকেশন। The last occasion the medical reports were placed before your lordship. And that has been placed by the state agency, not by either by me or by the petitioner, my lord. But from the very inception, the intention is to oust me from the premises. They are staying.
It is their premises. If they do not want you to stay there, please move out.
My
And it
lord,
is
my
not
lord,
that
there-
you
my lord,
are
my lord, that is-
incapable.
there is an issue, my lord. The land belongs to her. The first floor and the second floor are first floor
No,
is
my lord,
constructed
it's-
at my cost. First floor is constructed at my cost. I have invested.
What do? You business.
Yes, my lord, I have a battery shop. The younger brother is also running a battery shop. I also run a battery shop.
And the father also runs a battery
Father,
shop.
that business originally hails from the father. The father used to run this. Subsequently, father, there was a two shops. So father divided the shops between the sons. So they have been running their business from there. Now this younger son moved from Boshirat. He is running his business at Barashat. I am running my business at Boshirat. I have a dealership over there. I'm running there. There was an agreement, the property which was in the name of the mother, where he is a witness to this agreement, that father has given me that you construct your say first floor at your own cost and you stay over there. Similarly, the younger brother also constructed another portion of the first floor. He is staying over there. Two separate staircases there. Now, Milad, after investing 10 to 12 lakhs in a property, constructing and staying over there, if today, Milad, my parents are sufficiently elder, I am also sufficiently elder. I am also aged about 56, 57 years.
And this is how you treat your parents?
These subject to correction, Milad, these incident, if it pertains to 19th of December 2024, this is contrary to the medical report placed before your lordships, Milad.
Assuming you deny it, but somebody has done this and you stay in the same house. Can you say who has done this?
Malad, then kindly ask them to provide me the copy of the photographs. I'll come back with the explicit instruction. But I cannot say what is the situation of this. If today I submit anything before your lordship, that will be without an instruction. Kindly grant me 2 days time. I'll come back with the instruction that how this has happened and what is the incident behind this. Had I not been invested my income over there, Millet, I could have think it otherwise. But after investing my savings in the property, and whatever I am submitting, Millet, that is supported by the report submitted in connection with the proceeding before the SDO, as well as before the appellate court.
There was a direction on the earlier occasion. To allow the petitioner to use the main entrance. Is the private respondent disturbing you?
No, my lord.
So you are using your entrance separately.
No, there is no separate.
There is
my lord, only one entrance. But in the commissioner make a report according to his choice. But this should be challenged before the appellate authority. But unfortunately, my lord, it was not.
এটা তো ফেরত যাচ্ছে দেখুন learned advocate representing the petitioner produces a copy of the FIR being number 149/25 dated 23rd of February 2025 in support of the submission that the petitioner was brutally assaulted. Stop. Next. Learned advocate for the private respondent denies the said contention. Stop. Photographs. 5 photographs have been produced before this court to show that the petitioner and her husband were assaulted and the petitioner was admitted in the hospital. Did this happen after the court's order was passed?
Yes, Punta.
Malad, kindly see.
Oh, photographs is earlier occasion, my lord.
Not after this.
Not
After the court order, did anything happen?
Yes, my lord.
What?
And she was beaten up.
She was again beaten up.
Yes, my
Where
lord.
are the photographs?
No photographs.
Why? You could take photographs earlier occasion, this time also take photograph if she is beaten up. And do you have any objection if the CCTV camera are installed?
Sorry.
CCTV cameras installed?
No, CCTV camera is
Do you want an order for installation of CCTV cameras?
used, my lord.
use.
According to Supreme Court, my lord, your lordship kindly go through the judgment, which I
Do you want the CCTV cameras to be there?
maybe. I have no objection, my lord.
You do not have any objection. Will you spend money to install CCTVs or will your son spend money?
No, my lord, the petitioner is multimillionaire. She can install.
He can install CCTV cameras. Let her install it. Acha. A learned advocate representing the petitioner submits that the petitioner is a multi-millionaire and is in a position to install closed circuit cameras. Stop. Learned advocate representing the private respondent also submits in favor of installation of CCTV cameras. Stop. Next. It will be open for the petitioner to install CCTV cameras for her safety and security. Stop. The learned advocate representing the state respondents shall produce instruction with regard to the steps taken by the police in response to the. Who is the party?
District Magistrate and SDPO, Millet. SDO. No, police authority is party, Millet.
Which police station?
Millet Boshirat.
Acha. Okay. No. Likhun.
Represent the state respondents and produce the instruction with regard to the steps taken by the police.
In response to the complaints lodged by the petitioner. Paragraph. The একদম গোড়ায় লিখে দেবেন leave is granted to the advocate on record of the petitioner to implead the officer in charge Boshirat police station as party respondent in the instant writ petition and serve copy of the writ petition upon the added respondent. ঠিক আছে? আর the photographs produced in court today are retained with the records. The learned advocate for the petitioner has disclosed that his client is not interested to accept any money from the private respondent as she is self-sufficient. Stop. দরজাটা বন্ধ করো, হাওয়া আসছে গরম। আচ্ছা।